Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Installing Roblox on your computer is usually quick and easy, but sometimes users may encounter a problem when trying to install Roblox, such as the download failing or getting stuck in a loop. In this video, I will walk you through some simple fixes for these Roblox installation issues so you can get back to playing on your PC. Let's go. Before you start troubleshooting Roblox issues, please make sure that you have a stable internet connection with a reasonable speed, as this is a prerequisite for installation. The usual quick fix for most glitches is to simply reboot your computer to give it a fresh start. After reboot, try installing Roblox again and it should work this time. If rebooting doesn't work, try cleaning your computer's temporary files. Corrupted data, often from previous Roblox installations or removals, can be a cause of problems. To quickly clean up these files, press the Windows and R keys at the same time. Then enter cleanmgr.exe to open the disk cleanup tool. In the Files to Delete panel, make sure to check Temporary Internet Files and Temporary Files, and click OK to delete them permanently. A common reason for installation problems is that your firewall may be blocking access to Roblox. To check your firewall settings, search for Windows Defender Firewall and choose between two options to work with. First, try temporarily disabling your PC's firewall and reinstalling Roblox. If that works, don't forget to turn the firewall back on. On the other hand, if you don't feel comfortable disabling the firewall, you can add Roblox as an exception instead. If your Roblox installation is interrupted, you can usually resume it manually. Press the Windows and R keys and enter %local_app_data%. Navigate to the Roblox folder and go to Versions. To quickly find the most recent version, click the Date Modified column to sort them. Open the latest version directory. Then locate and run the file named robloxplayinstaller.exe. If you can't find robloxplayerlauncher.exe in the latest version folder, try looking in older versions until you find it. Should it still refuse to run, try running it as an administrator instead. Unfortunately, if none of these solutions work, it's time to contact Roblox support to report the issue. While you wait for Roblox support, consider installing on another device, as it's also available for mobile, Xbox, PlayStation, and more at roblox.com/download. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.